Are you in love with a fish? Does this fish love you?
Do you know what it means to love a fish? Don't even know if you could see it, who knows? Hello, ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing? Certainly hope you're doing well. I greet thee in the marvels of greeting. Look at this. This is a man and his name's Okra. Okra? What? I don't even know what I'm saying. Yeah, so, if you want to actually know, there was only one challenge that I noticed today, and it involved do the Fluffy Bunny challenge. Okay, ready, set, Fluffy Bunny. I don't have any marshmallows. Ha ha! Healthy lifestyle. My room is a pit. Yep. So, as we converse in the world of phlebotomy, let's see, the contests regarding the, what do you call it? I need to shave. Look at that scruff. The contest regarding the We Did It, and I'm going to give something away because of it, dealio has ended today. And as for working on Bionicle stuff, I scheduled the live stream for tomorrow at sometime around 4:30. I'm going to try and get the live stream started at 4:30, but nothing's really going to happen at the beginning of it because we'll still be setting up all this stuff because we have to get everything ready to head downstairs next to my, next to my computer dealio. As for working on the game, I've got some pictures, but that's it. I've gotten, as far as I know, I've gotten all of the, all of the stone pictures, all the earth pictures, and I think all the fire pictures. I need a picture of a Dermis turtle shell and a picture of a Vololutu launcher. If anyone can find that, that would be great. My apologies for not being very entertaining, but, as of right now, I was working on my YWAM application, and there's one of the entries that I just don't even know how to fill out. So I'm just kind of sitting there with like a big debunked confusion face, and my whole entire body is like, and my mind is going like, so all I can really think about is, I wonder what's on YouTube. Let's check Facebook again for the 12th time. Wow, I have serious bags under my eyes, I just now realized. I'm not tired, I don't think. I was only up till like 1:30 last night. Oh. And I woke up at 6. That would definitely explain something. So, yeah, here we are. In my bed. How very sensual. Not at all, it's gross. Nasty disgustingness, especially since the main demographic is men, and if it was women, that would be even more awkward, because they're like 12. That's just creepy. Okay, I'm going to... So, this, the window, it's great. Look at this window. It's fantastic. I'm trying to think of some sort of random fact that I can, give to the world, because I really have nothing to say in this vlog, because I got a few pictures for my cards, but I haven't actually built any cards. I worked on my YWAM application a little bit again today, but there's just one entry that I don't even know how to fill out. So, yeah! And, I caught, I went and got some Pokemon Fire Red playing in. Woo! Played the the slot machines in Pokemon for a long time, and then bought a ton of tickets and went and got a Scyther? Yes, I got a Scyther. And then I went and bred another Scyther with using my Scyther as a Ditto, and a Ditto. And then I went and got a really high-powered Scyther on accident. I got nothing else to talk about whatsoever. That's really what I have consisted of. It consisted of me getting cards, me working on my application, me playing Pokemon. My brain is not working right now, and somebody also put a challenge, drink a lot of coffee. I don't remember It's been changing the numbers. Drink 2 liters, drink 5 cups, whatever. I've done it. You don't want to see it because it takes long amounts of time and is rather boring. And so, aren't you just agreeing with me? Aren't you just agreeing? So, trying to think of anything entertaining I could talk about. Well, tomorrow we'll be working on, setting up the basement. It won't be the longest live stream. It'll definitely be entertaining, because I have plans. So yeah, you feel free to jump into the live stream tomorrow. 4 o'clock Mountain Standard Time. Be on YouTube. Be sure to refresh your page a couple of times, because it won't start at 4 o'clock, because my associates are still in school, and well, they have after school stuff, so it'll be after 4, but the earliest will start as 4, and that's hoping for the best. The best for the rest. Look at this mop on my head. It's just gross. It's just disgusting. I need to cut it off. Yeah. Oh, what is this? I feel like that one cartoon, Jimmy Neutron. Yes. I'm going to go and save the planet with my ugly face. Yes, I don't even know how he talks. I never watched Jimmy Neutron. I don't actually have television, nor had television, nor had cartoons, nor had anything of the sort. So, you want to see a taku bird? This is my representation of a taku bird. Yep. Yeah, anyways, so... let's see. I don't even know what else there is to explain in the world of me to the world of you. Other than I apologize if this was not entertaining to you. Post in the comments below what challenges you want me to do. And when it comes to challenges, it's not really a challenge, it's more of a, what humiliating thing do you want me to do for your entertainment? My ear is buzzing because of me listening to myself with a nasally congestion. Because my allergies are working. Yeah! Okay, so, yeah, post in the comments what kind of things you want me to do in my vlogs. I really got nothing. I legitimately got nothing. I am so beat. I'm just now finally starting to get my sleeping cycle back into fruition, because it was broken for a while. It kind of still is, but I mean, I just started doing stuff to get it to stop working. And I was going to work out a lot today, but I only worked out a little bit. I was going to do a lot of work today, but instead I did a little bit. So I'm just kind of looking at the world going like, that. Am I sick? Does this mean I'm ill? Or am I just mentally incapable of anything that requires work? If so, that would be awkward, because I need to do that. Because working is sort of a very important part of life. I'm having one of my legs falling off the bed, just sitting there going oh my gosh, it's swagger. Yep. So thank you very much for watching this video. As of now, I bow to you and end the transmission now.